Oh, this must be the hardest hill I've ever climbed, for I must sacrifice you, promised son of mine. And so I go to worship with you by my side, and trust a sacrifice you will provide. And though I cherish you, I must now offer you to Him who is the giver of all good things. And though I cherish you, I will now offer you, for surely He could raise you up again. Here on this altar, Father, I lay all my dreams and offer back to you this child you've given me. Oh, son, you must believe He's called us to obey, and by His love He'll make a better way. And though I cherish you, I must now offer you to Him who is the giver of all good things. And though I cherish you, I will now offer you, for surely He will raise you up again. Oh, Abraham, oh, Abraham, now that I know you fear my name, withhold your hand. Oh, Abraham, oh, faithful man, your only son, he's not the one. Behold the Lamb, behold the Lamb. It must have been the hardest thing He'd ever done, when God the Father sacrificed His only Son, the one that He most cherished, gave His life away. And by His love He made a better way. And so I cherish you, and so I honor you, for truly you're the giver of all good things. And so I cherish you, and so I honor you. Your sacrifice is now the King of Kings. He has provided the sacrifice of love no man could ever pay. And what He requires of you and me, even the hardest things, your blood, oh Christ, your sacrifice gives me strength to
un mondo di giustizia e di speranza, ognuno Dio noi sarà vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. La forza che ci dà
We ask that light become
desiderio che
watch us from above.
ognuno trovi
We
amore
hope its soul will
intorno ai
find
dentro sé.
another soul to love. Let this be our prayer. Let this be our prayer.
Just like every child,
Just like every child
needs to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be safe. Nella fede che hai acceso in noi. Solo che ci
All that I am and all that I have, I lay them down before you, oh Lord, and all my regrets and all my acclaim, the joy and the pain, I'm making them yours.
Things in the past, things yet unseen, wishes and dreams that are yet to come true. All of my hopes, all of my plans, my heart and my hands are lifted to you.
Lord, I offer my life to you, everything I
pleasing sacrifice.
Una po sa lahat, ako'y nagpupugay sa inyo po, Father, at sa lahat ng nariyan. Maganda kabay po, bating may pitagan mula sa pusong kong sa inyo'y nagmamahal. Sa pagsapit, Father, ng inyong anibersaryo, bilang lingkod pari, ngayon ay pangwalo. Sa pagkakataong ito, sa iyo ang handog ko. Isang tula na pagbati namin ay nakalakip dito. Ang aming pamilya, Father, sa iyo bumabati. Ngayong ikawalong anibersaryo bilang isang pari. Isang biyaya man din inyong minimiti. Bigay ng Panginoong walang pasubali. Damang-dama namin, Father, inyong nararamdaman. Di mawarit masukat na kaligayahan. Labis na tuwa sa puso, ninyo'y nag-uumapaw dahil sa biyayang itong bigay ng may kapal. Siguradong lahat kayo diya'y masayang masaya. May kainan, kwentuhan, at siyempre may tuma. Miss na miss namin yan. Pero di bali na, babawi na lamang sa muli nating pagkikita. Dalangin namin, Father, sa poong may kapal, maray pang anibersaryong sa buhay niyo ay dumatag. Kinakailangang biyaya, kayo ay pagkalooban upang gawain niyo bilang pari, inyo pong magampanan. Taos puso naming pinasasalamatan ang mga kasabit ng iba't ibang kapisanang banal, mga kinatawan ng barangay, at sa kalahatan upang may pagdiwang anibersaryo ni Father, masayang ipagdiwang. Bago tula ako ay tuloy ang tapusin, pasasalamat po sa inyo yung nais kong ulitin. Pagsasama at pagkakaisa, lagi sanang ugaliin sa ikalulhati ng mahal na Panginoon natin. Sana ang tula po'y inyong nagustuhan. Kung paano ko hinabay, di ko maunawaan. Upang ako na may ganansya, ang aking pong kahilingan, pwede po bang sana ako'y inyong palakpakan? Father, happy anniversary! Cheers!
Hello, Father. Happy anniversary. Hope you have more anniversaries to come. Good luck, good health, and God bless you. Cheers.
Cheers!